Okay guys, so we're gonna do part 2 of the lab. So yesterday you drew it like this, and now we're going to look at all of the parts more closely. So I'm gonna grab a flower here, and we're actually gonna take it apart. Okay, so I know this is a different color, but this is more just for the purpose of looking at things. You don't have to worry about drawing this, we're just taking a look at the parts. So I'm going to take the petals off. Okay, and we're going to look at just the reproductive structures. So these are your reproductive structures. Okay, you have your, get one of these off of here. There we go. You've got your stamen. Okay, get to focus, there we go. The top part here that's kind of turned to the side and you can see some pollen comes off when you touch it, that's the anther. And then this part is the filament, and then the whole thing together is called the stamen. You're going to have 6 of those in most flowers. Some only have 4. It's always an even number though. If you ever find one that has an odd number, it's probably because one of them fell off or got damaged. And then, whoops, let me get this stuff out of the way here. There we go. And then this is the female part. This is the pistil. So the whole thing is called the pistil. The top part is called the stigma. And that's the part that's sticky and pollen attaches to it. Now this one's not as sticky because that flower was a little bit wilting, it was sort of dying. And then this long tube is called the style, and the big green part down here is the ovary. The whole thing together is the pistil, so the stigma, style, and the ovary. Okay, so your second drawing, or it could be your third, depending on how you broke up the drawings yesterday, but your next drawing, we'll say, is to draw each of these parts individually. Now, you don't need to draw 6 anthers and you don't need to draw 6 petals, but you do need to label the parts. So I want you to draw at least 1 petal and label it petal. And then I want you to draw at least 1 stamen and label the anther and the filament. And then I want you to draw the pistil and label the stigma, the style, and the ovary. Okay, so you can pause it here so you can draw this. I would stick with the same colors you used yesterday, so the yellow, the green, and the orangey brown for your actual drawing, okay?